Another lawsuit has been filed against the former volleyball coach at the University of South Alabama over claims of sexual harassment and violations of Title IX, the federal law banning sexual violence and discrimination in educational settings.
WKRG News 5's Nicolette Schleisman has been following this story for nearly a year. And Nicolette, the claims here are very similar to what was alleged in that previous lawsuit.
Yeah, that's right. But this lawsuit just lists one player as the plaintiff, and the lawsuit claims the abuses this player endured caused her to leave the volleyball team in 2020 and the university, which led to physical, emotional, mental, and financial damages for the former player. The lawsuit filed last month claims the former coach, Alexis Meeks Rydell, created a, quote, climate of fear and intimidation among the players. The University of South Alabama, the current athletic director at South, Joel Erdman, as well as two former assistant coaches, Rob Chilcote and Patricia Gandolfo, are also named in this suit, claiming they knew of the alleged abuse. This is at least the 9th player to come forward with these types of allegations, but just the second lawsuit. The first lawsuit, filed last September, outlined alleged abuses that occurred from 2019 to 2020, the same time frame as this latest suit. The allegations of abuse from this latest lawsuit include unwanted pinching of the player's buttocks, inappropriate touching, forced hugs, as well as coercing and forcing the player to play through her injuries. Meeks Rydell was employed by the University of West Alabama before taking the job as the head coach at South Alabama. The lawsuit alleges Meeks Rydell recruited the plaintiff in this lawsuit while still at West Alabama. She was the only recruit to go with Meeks Rydell to South Alabama, and according to the lawsuit, she abandoned a full scholarship to follow Meeks Rydell. But as a result of the alleged abuse, she left South Alabama in May 2020. Meeks Rydell was hired as South's women's volleyball team head coach in December 2018. She resigned from USA in February 2021, according to the lawsuit. She was briefly employed at Purdue University Fort Wayne in Fort Wayne, Indiana, but according to this new lawsuit, she's no longer employed with that university. And a spokesperson for the University of South Alabama says they are aware of this lawsuit but declined to comment at this time due to pending litigation. Live in the studio, Nicolette Schleisman, WKRG News 5.